Okay, so people are always wondering what I'm up to, and at the moment, this is a battery pack for, say, camping, playing music, lights, powering mobile devices, communications, things like that. Um, I 3D printed these housings, but I need to downscale that a lot. I'm running out of room for the electronics that I'm trying to pack in there. So I made another version of my cell holder. You guys kind of saw on that I did in Fusion. And that is right there. And this is the three-dimensional rendering of this part. And then it was put on the splicer, 3D printed, all that business. So this is designed to put some padding, some foam in there. And we can lock in an 18650 pack, sandwiches in there. Fairly snug. It doesn't fall out, and it's designed to put a couple zip ties around there and then mount in the case. So I can downscale it to about there, and I'm hoping to be able to fit 5 of those packs, an extra one on that side. And if I can do that and jam all the electronics into this section, boy, I'll be happy. But that's what I'm doing right now, and I guess it's just a little bit of an update because people are curious. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next one.